Hey guys, what's up? If you are new, my name is Melissa and I make new videos every week. So this week I decided to do another hairstyle tutorial for you guys. We are smack in the middle of summer and I know that at least here in Philadelphia it's been really hot lately. Like it's been like in the 90s, feeling like it's in the hundreds. So I'm going to share with you today 3 really cute and quick hairstyles that are going to be summer proof so you can look cute in the summer even if it's blazing hot out. So if you want to learn how to create these 3 looks, just keep on watching. Sweep your hair to one side of your head, part it into 2 sections. Take a thin strand of hair from the outside of one section and cross it over into the inside of the other section. Doing this motion until you come to the end of your hair length, and that is how you create the stylish fishtail braid. Part your hair in half at the crown. Brush the top half of your hair into a high ponytail and tie off with a rubber band. Take a piece from the back of the ponytail and wrap it around the base and secure it with a bobby pin. And that is how you create this high half pony look. Sweep your hair to one side of your head. Part your hair into 2 sections and then those sections in half. Take those smaller 2 sections and twist them individually. Then you are going to twist them into each other, tie them off with a rubber band at the bottom. Repeat this step with the other half of your hair. Take those 2 twisted ties and twist them together and secure those with the rubber band at the bottom. Now you are going to pull apart the twist until you have reached your desired boho braid look. There you have it. Those are 3 really simple, cute, and sleek hairstyles that you can try for the summertime that are going to keep you looking cool and stylish. So if you're not part of the family already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. If you end up trying any of these styles, please tag me on your social media, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.